Hello. Today is day 9. Finally they have something from the original 3, like the Star Destroyer. This guy is the best thing. I think it's the best day I've gotten. That's the back. There's the front. Black. He has like black, whatever that is, with gray legs. And he has a double-sided head. But he looks better with this side, I think. So he's a hot trooper. He drives the walkers, like this one that's a. Actually, yeah. So, okay. Goodbye.